This is the titanium cutting board set of 3, designed to handle everything from quick snacks to full meals. You get 3 different sizes: a small board that's perfect for fruit and quick prep, a medium board that works great for vegetables, and a large board ideal for meat and fish. With this set, you're covered for all your kitchen needs. What makes these boards special is that they're made with 100% pure titanium. Titanium is a healthy metal that's lightweight, incredibly strong, and naturally antibacterial. Unlike wood or plastic, it doesn't trap odors or bacteria. That means no more garlic, onion, or raw meat smells lingering on your cutting board. When cutting vegetables like potatoes, the board feels smooth and solid under your knife. It doesn't chip or crack, and because it's double-sided, you can chop on one side and flip it to the other if you want a fresh surface right away. It's also resistant to scratches, so it stays looking new even with daily use. Titanium really makes a difference when you're preparing raw meat or fish. The antibacterial surface helps reduce the risk of cross-contamination, and since there are no harmful heavy metals, it's safe even for families with little kids. It's strong enough for heavy chopping, but still gentle enough not to dull your knives quickly. Cleaning is one of my favorite parts. The titanium surface rinses clean easily. Residue and stains don't stick to it, so you don't need to scrub hard. And if you prefer, you can just put it in the dishwasher. Titanium is corrosion resistant, so it won't warp, crack, or rust no matter how many times you wash it. It's built to last for years, unlike cheaper boards that need constant replacing. With this set, you're not only getting cutting boards, you're getting peace of mind. Durable, hygienic, easy to clean, and safe for your family. The titanium cutting board set of 3 is the perfect upgrade for any kitchen.